Within minutes of that first sip, coffee initiates a physical reaction that reaches far beyond the brain. It acts as a biological stimulus, sending a pulse through the body that signals the entire digestive network to wake up and start moving. This network, the gastrointestinal tract, is essentially a long, muscular tube waiting for a signal. Coffee provides that trigger, activating a series of internal control points that shift the body's resting digestive state into high gear. We can map this response through the double-edged stimulus system. A single cup doesn't just do one thing. It initiates 3 entirely different physical pathways simultaneously. One branch accelerates your muscle movements, another feeds the helpful microbes in your gut, and the third increases the acid pressure in your stomach. Because coffee acts as such a broad biological trigger, its effects are felt almost everywhere. Understanding these 3 pathways is the key to seeing why this drink can feel both incredibly helpful and occasionally intense. The first pathway is the speed route, where the body's internal transit systems begin to accelerate. Caffeine travels to your brain to block the receptors that make you feel tired. But as it wakes up your mind, it also sends a signal down to your intestines, telling your digestive muscles to move significantly faster than usual. This trigger causes a rapid hormone release. A specific hormone called gastrin tells your digestive muscles to begin a series of quick, coordinated squeezing movements that push everything along. This physical squeezing happens remarkably fast, often within 4 minutes of finishing a cup. And because it's triggered by coffee's organic components, it happens whether your drink is caffeinated or decaf. For many individuals, this sudden burst of speed is a highly helpful way to keep the system regular. But for others, the rapid movement can feel like a stressful rush, leading to a sudden sense of physical urgency. Simultaneously, coffee travels down the garden route. Here, it acts as a prebiotic, delivering specialized nutrient cargo to the trillions of friendly microbes living in your colon. Coffee contains polyphenols, like chlorogenic acid, premium fertilizer for helpful bacteria like Lactobacillus acrolithecus. Consuming these nutrients, the microbes multiply and produce short-chain fatty acids. These acids form protective building blocks, reinforcing your colon wall to prevent harmful toxins leaking into your body. By reinforcing this physical barrier, your morning cup helps lower internal inflammation and gives your immune system a stronger line of defense. This is coffee acting as a supportive partner for your long-term health. However, there is the pressure route. This is the irritant side of the system, where the same biological signals can lead to physical discomfort. Coffee's organic acids signal the stomach to release a surge of gastric acid. While this juice helps break down heavy foods, having too much acid in an empty stomach can irritate the delicate lining and cause a sharp burning sensation. Coffee can cause the lower esophageal sphincter, the stomach's muscular safety valve, to relax. When this valve opens prematurely, stomach acid escapes. This backward splash into the throat causes heartburn, demonstrating how coffee's chemical signals accidentally override natural safety gates. This is why coffee can feel like a complex force. If the body's defenses aren't prepared for that acidic arrival, the resulting pressure causes bloating, it triggers painful cramping, or persistent physical discomfort. Why does this one drink cause a productive morning for one person, but a stomachache for another? As this diagram shows, coffee doesn't have a single effect. It has an individualized outcome based on your body's unique setup. Your genetic blueprint determines how your liver processes caffeine. Fast metabolizers can clear it from their system quickly, while slow metabolizers might feel jittery and anxious from just a few sips. Your gut microbiome also acts as a unique filter. If you lack the specific microbes needed to process polyphenols, you might miss out on those protective barrier-building benefits entirely. Balancing these pathways requires paying attention to the specific signals your body sends back to you. Your response is as unique as a fingerprint. By understanding your double-edged stimulus system, you can adjust your daily habits to support your friendly microbes while managing the internal pressure. It's about finding the specific rhythm that works for your own biology,